guys, and welcome back to another Sephora haul. Well, actually, technically, it's 4 mini hauls is one collective haul, but I mean, whatever. 4 or 5, something like that. But anyway, that's why there's so many samples in this one, because these were largely bought individually. So, there's that. So anyways, when I saw the Sephora favorites list this, I couldn't not buy it. It's the Give Me Some Balm lip balm sampler set. So there's a couple of full sizes in here. Unfortunately, one I'll probably end up giving to my mom, but it costs $30 with a $65 US value. So we do have a list of products and ingredients right here. It goes around it. It comes in this very cute little bag. It's like canvas or something. And we have got the Ilia Lip Wrap Hydrating Mask in Clear, which I mean is small, but lip products don't need to be that big, honestly, so that's fine. We have the Rose Petal Soft Lip Cream sample. So this is by, what brand is this? Oh, I guess by the brand Fresh. I can't remember if I have a sample of that already or not. Like, the ittiest, bittiest, cutest little teeny tiny sample of the Tarte Jelly Glaze, or C Jelly Glaze Anytime Lip Mask in Strawberry Jelly. And then our 2 full-sizers. We have the Sephora Collection Coconut Lip Balm, and then we have the, what is this? Pat McGrath Labs Lip Fetish Divine Lip Shine in Nude Venus, which, let's see, where do we open from? Okay. And it's that color right there. It's very pretty. So, I couldn't pass it up. I had to do the thing. Even if one of them is coconut and I cannot use that one, but that's okay. Because to make myself feel better, I bought myself individually the watermelon lip balm from Sephora, so just to make myself feel better. So, about having to, no doubt, give away that coconut after I review it. I have a sample from the brand Verb. It is their volume shampoo and conditioner. Not too shabby. But short hair, I can get a use or 2 out of that. We have the Sephora Favorites Pop Big Beauty Vibes box set. I always love these. Got a little sign in here. You are next level. That has little products on the back. Also, stickers. They're adorable. I love them. Let's get that underneath. So for the stuff that's in this one, we have the Better Not Younger Hair Redemption Butter Mask, which that's a decent size for in one of these, just saying. From Replica, well, the Maison Margiela Paris Eau de Toilette Replica Beach Walk. What is this? Tower 28 Shine On. What is this? Tower 28 Beauty Shine On Lip Jelly in Chill. It's got like the tiniest hint of pink to it, like barely there, but I'm holding it up against white stuff. I can see there's like the tiniest hint in there, so. From Glow Recipe, and this made me hella happy, the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. We have the Grande Cosmetics Grande Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum, which, still on the fence about those, but it's okay. And then, finally, by JLo Beauty, That Blockbuster in a Non-Stop Wonder Cream. Yeah, the sample is that big, so not horrible. Not horrible at all. So with the exception of possibly the lash serum, we'll quite enjoy using those. Come on, you. Oh my goodness. It does not want to go back in. Also, I'm loving the neon vibes down the side. My inner 80s baby is like, oh my god! I also have... This was redeemed with points. This is one of those travel sizes of the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. So, can't go wrong with that. This too was redeemed with points, and it's by Rare Beauty. It's Lip Souffle Matte Lip Cream in Fearless. Which, again, not bad. Not bad. Those points accrue quickly, so getting something even that size, I'm like, I won't turn my nose up at it. The Youth to the People Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Oil. The Maki and Acai Prickly Pear and Goji one. It's just little, but I mean, try it out anyway. Another sample, the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner, hydrating and pore refining. I mean, it doesn't feel like there's much in there, but I mean, that's okay. This actually I got with a redemption code. This is by Smashbox, the Always On Liquid Lipstick in Audition. It looks very close to Babe Alert, so I like it. This finally came back in stock, so I got the other one of the Huda Beauty nudes, and this is the light one. What do you know? The one that's actually appropriate for my skin tone, even though I got the other two anyway, because of course I did. When I saw it was back, I was like, screw it, I'm getting it. I know I said I would chill, but then it happened, so. And again, I love that textured feel on there. And then the colors in the, ooh, okay. This is the first time I'm looking at them in person. Alright, those are way prettier in person than I was expecting those. I don't think the camera's gonna do it justice for the reflective light colors in it, but if it were, like for instance, this pink over here has like yellow and mint green reflective like shimmers in it. Just as one example where I'm like, I don't think the camera's picking it up accurately, but it's actually hella pretty. Alright, that was worth it. That was worth it. Okay. So we've got that. Set that aside for now. Another point redemption one. This is by Givenchy. It's the Le Rouge Mandarin Bolero. That's awesome. So let's see what this looks like. I just giggled at it having Bolero in the name. It's the movie 10. So it's like an in-joke. Okay, how does this... Does it open from here? Oh, it does. Okay, so it's like these two little tabs. And like it slides out from those. It's actually pretty custom. I like that. Ooh, okay. Okay. I'll take it. Given the brand, no doubt cannot afford the full-size thing, but I'll take that. I also got the Sephora Favorites Clean Me Up kit. This has a couple full-sizers in it too. That's what the bag looks like. Just says Clean Me Up. Kind of looks like a brown paper bag though, awkwardly. Almost feels like one. It's really strange. Like, I can tell it's fabric and not paper, but it kind of has that weird feel to it, which is bizarre. Okay. So again from Glow Recipe, we got a lot of stuff from Glow Recipe in this box here. We have the Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. So that's fun. Oh yeah, A little thing on the back. The beauty you want without the ingredients you might not. This clean beauty kit features a mix of feel-good products to create a full face look, including 2 full-size products for lips and cheeks. Spot the clean seal to signify ingredients you can trust. Is that the clean seal? I don't know if they're talking about this or what. Left up for product info. I don't know. I'll do that another time. But anyway, so there's that. Super Goop. We have from Super Goop the Glow Screen SPF 40. So, as it's getting to that part of the year, sunscreens definitely welcome. I think this was one of the full sizers. This one, come back, you. This is the Kosas Kosa Sport Lip Fuel Hyaluronic Lip Balm in Rush. How does this even... Oh! Okay. Alright then. Cool. I actually was like, I don't know what the hell I'm looking at. Oh! I thought like maybe it's like a spritzer at first till I realized it's a lip product. I am dumb. Okay, we've established that I am dumb. I think this is the other full sizer. This is by Ilia, and it's a multi-stick in Dreamer. Multi-stick, you say? Ah, okay. I got it. Unsure about the shade, but I can play with it. See what I can get out of it. So there's that. What's this? Ooh, another one by Tarte. This is the Tarte Sea Breezy Cream Bronzer in Seychelles. Seems awful dark, but then again, I don't know how bronzer works, so maybe it's not. I don't know, but tell me down below. I still don't know how the fuck to use bronzer. I have been saying it for how many years on this channel, and yet no one teaches me how does bronzer work. And finally, we have by Milk Makeup, the Vegan Milk Moisturizer, which I think this is about my 3rd or 4th sample about the size of this stuff. That's okay, because between them, maybe I have something approximating something. So, that's okay. So let's pop these back on here. I have a sample of Summer Friday's Lip Butter Balm. It's like they literally just like slashed off the top bit of a lip balm and stuck it in this button. So that's a thing. It's in vanilla. Okay. A sample of Kiehl's Avocado Nourishing Hydrating Mask. Moon Juice Cosmic Cream Collagen Protecting Moisturizer. Lancome Paris Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Concentrate. I think I've had this before from other stuff. A second one of the Youth to the People thing, so I have a bit more to play with. It's the same one. Because I'm me, I also got the Banana Lip Balm. I'm probably gonna slowly but surely randomly toss in some of the Sephora lip balms with orders as I buy shit from there. As one does. Another Moon Juice Cosmic Cream. So there's that. Oh, where did the product go? I know for a fact it was not missing one when I got this. Where did it go? But this is the Glow Recipe Fruit Babies Bestsellers Kit. Alright, I have to open it up and see where did it go. I know it's in there. Where is it hiding? Yeah, I see it. Okay. Sounds like I know for a fact it did not come missing a product. For some odd reason, it's wanting to, like, hide back there. So, I got it. Okay. So, in here, we've got the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. I'm so happy to have a bigger sample size of this to play with. Like, you have no idea. Actually, 90% of why I got this was for that. At this point, given how many times I've bought a sampler set, because of that being one of the things in it, you'd think I would just buy the damn thing, but yet I don't. We have an actual little thing of this Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner to go along with the little sample. The Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. Ooh, that'll be fun. Love all the watermelon stuff. The Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. I feel like I either got this or something else that was like the same thing except not an eye mask, but just like a face thing? Am I crazy? I could swear I've gotten that before. And finally, last thing in here, the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. So, okay. Honestly, I was just really happy to see like a sampler set from Glow Recipe pop up affordably, so like the day I saw it pop up on Sephora, I was like, get my cart, get on my cart right now! So, I had no chill. I did not give it so much as a second thought. I just impulse bought the crap out of that. Which, is kind of how it went with all of these, frankly. But, that's okay. Sometimes you gotta just do that, especially when it comes to Sephora. Because stuff there can sell out crazy fast, and you don't know when or if they will necessarily restock a thing. I've had hella things where I've been like, maybe I'll just wait till my next paycheck and get the thing. I go back, it's gone. Like, the entire page for the product, everything, it's like deleted and gone. They are not bringing it back. It's sold out. It's just gone forever. So, because of that, it has unfortunately sparked a little bit of a fear of missing out, light of fire under me, but I try not to do it on, like, big spendy things from there. I try to make sure it's, like, at least kind of cheaper things. If I'm gonna impulse buy from Sephora, of all frickin' places, something affordable where it won't, like, hurt my bank account to just be like, done. But yeah, these were not all bought the same day. These were spread out over quite a few weeks, actually. I just finally got around to sitting down and filming this, so anyways. That's it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.